Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Virginia Tech 2022 Dog Show. Our first presenters are Team 36 from ECE 2514.
Hey, this is our dog.
That is not a dog.
Sure he is. Say hello, boy.
Ah.
He's got plenty of tricks. Follow, boy. As you can see, he can do a lot. There's plenty more to show.
Yeah.
Cool. Good boy. Now back to center stage. Here comes what you trained for. First up, we'll have him do some spins. All right. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, now do a spin for me. Good boy. Now the other way. Hey, there you go. Now, you want a treat?
Aww.
All right, now roll over. And the other way. Good boy. Go on down.
And that concludes our annual Virginia Tech Dog Show. There were many great competitors today, and we appreciate everyone for attending. Now for the prizes. Coming in first place with the most exceptional dog of all time, warranting 100 on whatever EC project is being used for, is Team 36. With their dog that looks a lot like a drone, but it's still somehow not a drone. Congratulations, winners.
He looks quite nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Go and face the audience, young man.